Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use sequence effect or sequence option on your Instagram. As you know, Instagram add a new option or new effect for video reels is called it sequence. Or this option is like Stitch on TikTok and Facebook and many more. So Instagram edit users. So first thing to get this option, what you're going to do, make sure your Instagram is updating. I will show you how to do that. But first, we go to Instagram to explain this option. As you see here, now we are on Instagram. Now this option is showing right there in the left of your screen. When you scroll for real videos, for example, it show there, right, or with a send gift option. Now, not all reels have this option sequence. Some reels, some video reels have this option, and some others not. As you see here, for example, this video it have this option try sequence, as you see here. Now, when you click on try sequence, now we explain how to use it. We click on try sequence like this. It takes you directly to your camera, as you see here. Now what you're going to do, you can shot a camera and add it to this clip video or this reel. For example, I go to next, I click next. Now as you see, I add this video, little video, about 5 seconds, to the video, to original video. Then what you're going to do, you click next. Then as you see, you can click on edit video to see your video completely like this, as you see here. Now your video at the end of this original real video, as you see here. So you can add your video, face, your camera, front camera, and shooting your face, and add a commentary, or you add an special for you. So this is the real how it comes. So this is how to use sequence option on your Instagram account. It's easy and simple, as you see. Then you can add an audio effect if you want from your phone or from your Instagram account. You can add the clips and make it special or original for you. So this is then when you finish, you click on the arrow, blue arrow here. It say add more clips. You can also add clips from your gallery if you want, or from your camera again. Click stop. Then you click your clips is added, as you see here. When you finish, you click on the blue arrow here. Now you can add a caption on your video reel and you post it on your Instagram account. So this is how to use sequence option or feature on your Instagram. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.